we have Fawad Hassan from Frontier Model School, Boys, Peshawar, Pakistan, to share his thoughts on the given theme.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Fawad Hassan, a student of grade 8 from Frontier Model School, Warsak Road, Peshawar. One crowded hours of glorious life is worth more than an age without a name. I'm pretty excited to share my views on healthy beginnings, hopeful future. Life is a gradual process of unfolding. The seed has developed into a plant, the bud blooms into a flowers, and the child grows to be a man. It is a profound truth, not a mere analogy. The vibrancy of childhood and the lethargy of old age are the different passages of man's energy. When it is tight and concentrated, we have the vigor of infancy. When it is loose and relaxed, we have the languor of old age. Dear audience, when we think of the future, we often envision progress, growth, and endless possibilities that lie ahead. But the truth is, the foundation of the future is built upon the health and well-being today. Healthy beginnings, whether they refer to the start of a child's life or the commencement of a new venture, are the key to unlocking the hopeful, thrilling future for individuals, communities, and the world as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, a healthy beginnings begins in many forms, but none more significant than the health of a child in early stages of life. Research has shown that the first few years of a child's life are crucial for its development. As in these formative years, the brain and the body grow the fastest in laying the groundwork for future physical, emotional, and intellectual health. Dear audience, when children receive proper nutrition, medical care, emotional support, and safe environment, they are more likely to flourish into strong, capable individuals. These healthy beginnings leads to a future where children can reach their full potential, contributing positively to society, pursuing dreams with determinations, and facing challenges with resilience. Your audience, but the responsibility doesn't rest solely on parents or caregivers. It's a collective responsibility that falls on a society as a whole. Governments, educators, communities, and healthcare providers all have a role to play. We must ensure access to affordable healthcare, quality of education, nurturing safe environment for every child, regardless to their background or circumstances. We must also emphasize the importance of mental health and emotional well-being. Too often, it is overlooked in early childhood, but it's just as important as physical health in laying the foundation for a healthy future. It is vital to create space where children can feel safe, valued, and heard, where their emotions are met, and where they can grow with strength and confidence. Mr. President, the future is not simply about survival. It's about creating conditions that allow striving to big, share visions, contribute to a great. A healthy beginning doesn't just impact one person. It has a ripple effect, creating a positive society for health, opportunity, and prosperity for future generation. When children grow up in healthy environments, they are more likely they have opportunity to become leaders, innovators, and change makers who can solve the challenges we face today and those we may face in the future. They will build on the lesson of kindness, empathy, and prosperity, becoming the architects of better tomorrow. And isn't that a hopeful future? One in which our young ones not survive but flourish in reaching the world with countless ways. In closing, the journey from a healthy beginnings to a hopeful future is not just a path that walk alone. It's a path we all walk together, hand in hand, as a community, as a society, and as a global family. Let us invest in the health and well-being of our children today, so that we can be certain that tomorrow will be filled with promise, possibility, and hope. Thank you.